Hello and welcome to another Sydney Gardens project gardening video. Today we're going to sow some seeds. We're going to sow some lettuce seeds and some basil seeds. Here I've got a seed tray. I've got some general purpose compost, although you can get special purpose seed sowing compost, but you don't need to, you can just use the general purpose compost. We've got some vermiculite, which helps maintain the moisture content of the soil. I've got a sieve, my seeds of course, of which I've got little gem, claytonia, speckled oak, lamb's lettuce and some sweet basil. We've made little labels for each of them to go in afterwards, so I shall begin. First I'm going to take, I have a sieve here, I'm going to take handfuls of the soil and sieve it through to try and make it as fine as possible so that it's as easy for the roots of the budding plants to grow through. Now it's always best to try and wear gloves because there can be issues with your skin if you don't, but you don't have to. It always helps to make this as fine as possible, and don't worry, this can take a while. So you want to keep on going until you're about almost the top, so perhaps a centimetre from the top. Which I think I am there. So I'm just going to a little bit of a tidy up. So I'm going to add some of this vermiculite, 2 handfuls, and I'm just going to gently mix this in. So I'm just going to, now using this, you can use anything that's flat surface, but you need something to press down the soil in a moment. But I'm also going to use this just to even the level of the soil out. And quick tidy up. So I'm just gently pressing down, not too hard because you don't want to get rid of any of the gaps in the soil. So now we're ready to start sowing our seeds. So now we're going to sow our seeds. So I'm going to start with the little gem. I'm going to open them up. Now, we don't want to sow too many seeds because you can end up with too many plants and not know what to do with them. But you've got to, only about 3/4 of the seeds you do sow are likely to germinate. So I'm going to do a couple little sprinkles, and I'm going to do them in rows. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to sprinkle down in a straight line. I'm going to do one more. I'm now going to put this at the top of where that row was, so I know what I've planted there, and that'll become apparent at the end. So I'm now going to carry on with each of the others. So next is the Clitonia. Then I can get into the packet. Now these ones are super fine. Again, putting it at the top of my row. And I'm going to keep going until I've done all 5. So now that I have finished sowing the seeds, what I'm going to do is I've got some little labels already written up, and I'm going to put them ahead of each row. And lastly, I'm going to take some soil and I'm going to sieve it back gently on top, just to cover the seeds. I mean, obviously these are quite fine seeds, so you don't need much of a covering, but if you have larger seeds, you'll need a slightly larger covering of soil on top. That should be enough. And again, I'm going to get my little device for patting it down and just very gently pressing it down, just so that all the seeds have got some nice contact with some soil. Now that that's done, a little bit of a tidy up. Once you've sown your seeds, always make sure to give them a nice good drink, just so that then they can start the germination process. That's more than plenty. That might have been a little excessive. And now put them somewhere warm, like a windowsill, to start the germination process. Thank you very much. Just a little amendment here. We made a tiny mistake. You're not supposed to cover basil seeds with soil. You're supposed to leave them on the surface of the soil. So when you get to the basil, don't cover those bits with soil. Thank you.